not do that. I'm sorry, my lords. So that is the reason.
File separate affidavits pleading compliance of the directions contained therein within. If any state UT fails to file such affidavit,
That one thing.
correct? So this is not done. Free trip to Delhi from where? From Kerala. Long distance.
Set apart all the work and came here only for this. They had to leave in the night. They are looking after 4 or 5 departments. Such a pressure they have come. Because they are worried about the court order.
My concern is that lordship order has to be complied in 2 days, my lords.
Now,
There is no sanction post.
this status report
Yes.
refers to all the affidavits.
So, if my friend may permit me to just flag the lordship query.
Instead of this yes no going on, whoever has not filed the affidavit and given it to you, you are
What is
taking a
happening is
direction.
lordship said specifically 72 hours before. Till morning, I am receiving some affidavits, which is not fair.
Very
But in any case, I have seen those affidavits.
You know how the government machinery
I
works,
understand, but
right? But now that you are getting all the
I
affidavits,
have already received the affidavit.
you have received all the affidavits, just indicate in a chart.
That is that chart.
After looking into
Yes,
all the
yes.
affidavits,
Yes.
you have taken into consideration all the affidavits.
Yes. Therefore, I pointed out.
You give a copy of this chart to the Landed Council appearing for the states.
That is the own affidavit. I have to give it back to
No.
I'll give a chart. I'll give.
Every matter, my lordship is circulated onto.
I will give that lordship say. I will give a chart to the day satisfied.
We are keeping it on 9th at 2 o'clock. No officer is required.
Obliged.
One thing, Lord, after this affidavit that we have filed from West Bengal, the last stage we are completing. Shall we file an additional?
What is completing?
But we have substantially complied, but one portion is remaining. The primary school, we are going to actually advertise now. So we wanted to put that on affidavit.
Only one state affidavit is not there. The office would indicate state of Gujarat. They have not even cared to file an affidavit.
Acha, who is for Gujarat?
My lordship, may I just make a short submissions, my lord?
On whose behalf?
My lord, 200 special educator, my lord. For,
We are
for the
asking
state
you,
of
who
West
are you
Bengal.
appearing for?
I'm for Krishnananda Das and others, my lord. That is 45
We are
only.
now asking who is appearing for state of Gujarat.
I'm sorry.
Nobody. State of Gujarat was present on the last occasion.
Yes. Ms. Swati Gildial is the standing consul of Gujarat.
The Lordship's last order refers to the 7th March order where the list of the states are. You said that all those states are where the compliance, which is effectively everybody. Gujarat is listed.
States are all states.
All states are affected.
Person should come.
My lord, may I just make short submissions, my lord?
That in compliance with the earlier order dated. So, what is the date of this order? ये date क्या है? All the states and union territories, except the state of Gujarat, has filed an affidavit stating steps taken by them, plans of the directions contained in the earlier order dated 7th March 2020. The date क्या है?
15th July.
The said order dated 15th July makes it clear that if any state of the union territory fails to file such affidavit, the additional chief secretary or the principal secretary of the secretary education department of such state of the union territory shall remain present today. So, we record that despite the state of Kerala having filed an affidavit, one or two, how many officers? One officer has taken the vehicles assigned to Delhi
But sir, many
from
officers,
Kerala.
not only state, so many officers.
How many officers have come?
Other states. Many of them have come.
Many of them come, not only from Kerala.
We haven't called anybody.
I saw so many cadre officers here. Outside.
I'll tell you why they have come, Lord. I can sense that why. Because Lordship said 7th March order that posts have to be sanctioned, filled by 28th of March, maximum by 12 weeks. So what the affidavit says is that it's awaited, the sanction has to be done.
Right.
So therefore they fear that the Lordship will have a iron hand today because of this non-compliance of the order. Merely saying that it's awaited will not serve the purpose of the Lordship's order.
Despite some of the states stroke Union Territories having filed their affidavits. The officers are also present in court. Their personal presence is dispensed with until further notice. However, we take serious exception to the absence of the state of Gujarat. Neither is counsel for the state present, nor has any affidavit been filed in terms of the earlier order of 15th July. Who is there for state of Gujarat? Anybody? Achha. Who is the Dharmendra Patel, Gujarat?
Dharmendra Patel, sir. Dharmendra Patel, sir, for Gujarat. I'll inform Gujarat.
She have just been informed that she's in the medical emergency, the AOR, Swati Girdhar.
Okay, some difficulty for
So she's just texted that
Very good. Okay. You may have difficult. No affidavit filed, no presence.
they have filed and supposed to have been sanctioned. That is what I got to know. Here is just I'll get instruction on that by night. I'll get back on Gujarat.
But may I say this with respect to Tamil Nadu?
Just madam, wait. Neither has any affidavit been filed.
My lords, I'm appearing to the state of Gujarat on behalf
Yes.
of Swati Girdhar. My lords, we
Yes.
have filed an affidavit in this
You have
matter.
filed an affidavit.
Yes, my lordships.
Have you served it on the amicus?
Yes, my lords, we have served it to the amicus as well.
That's a Supreme Court office report, not my report.
My
Forget the
lords, we will serve them, but we have already filed it
paragraph,
before
strike
the
it
last
out.
date of hearing.
There is some confusion as to whether the state of Gujarat has filed an affidavit or not.
My lords, we have filed it before the last date of hearing itself. We were the first 4-5 states where we have filed it.
Madam Singh and counsel submits that the affidavit has been filed. As well as learned amicus Mr. Malhotra submits that he is yet to receive the same. Be that as it may, copy of the affidavit filed by the state of Gujarat shall be made over to Mr. Amicus in course of Monday next.
My lords, we'll serve it again.
Release the petitions on 9th at 2 o'clock. The amicus shall prepare a fresh convenience chart indicating compliance, if at all made by the states, union territories in terms of the order dated 7th March. Copy of such convenience chart should be made available to the land advocates on record appearing for the respective states, union territories by 8th. And the other parties by 8th. Soft copies may be provided. Just take, Mr. Amicus, ask your associate to get the email ID and send it. Don't waste.
Well, just small submissions because we are representing.
Mr. Grover, and senior counsel appearing for the state of West Bengal, submits that some further steps have been taken in respect of primary schools and he wishes to file an additional affidavit. Let such affidavit be filed by 3rd of September with copy to the amicus.
My lords, make this.
Sorry, Mr. Gopal, we have heard that. That will be the last sentence.
Third, sixth, instead of third, sixth.
Why 6th?
But that time we'll have much more.
Very well, 6th.
The states which are lacking compliance, if your lordship can add a line that let them ensure compliance by the next date, that will help us.
Those of the states, oblique union territories who are yet to fully comply with the order dated 7th March shall be at liberty to do so prior to 8th of September.
Yes, my lordship, one single submissions, my lord.
Just 1 minute. Mr. Das,
we are
waiting
representing-
online. Just wait.
I'm sorry.
Even if we don't issue notice on your intervention, if you want to say something, first they will be submitting. If you find that something has been left out, we'll hear. Right? Yes, Mr. Das.
Yes, my lord. My lord, what happens, my lord, the compliance affidavit which the state of West Bengal has filed, my lord, we have a strong objections because what they have done, my lord, with these two dates, they have issued entire examination process, leaving aside the very order whereby these special educators were asked to
Consider that on 9. We will consider that on 9. Yes,
My lord,
Madam
what my
Kavita.
submission?
Lords, with respect to Tamil Nadu, Lords, they have not complied, and in fact, Lords, they filed an affidavit in the
Whether
writ
complies or
petition.
not, that we will
Yes,
take it
Lords,
upon
Lords, I would like to have a copy of that because my contempt has not been listed today.
interim order passed earlier shall continue.
But on 9th we will find out.
I was waiting. May I just make one submission on behalf of
Maybe should start very excuse for that.
Everyone is excused.
not just one submission. Your Lordship said directive that was committee be set up to fill up the sanction posts. Now, as far as Goa is concerned, we've already done that. So we just need a clarification from your Lordship that perhaps that order.
Mr. Andulkar on 9.
I must say Goa is one of the states who have at least complied to some extent. I've figured out some of the states, my lords. 394 posts they have advertised.
Yes. Rest of the matters?
My lordship, last
52, my lords, item 52. Notice may be issued.
We'll take it up on another. We are exhausted.
In the meantime, my lord, notice may be issued.
Serial number 47.
Next day. Just next one. Page spread over that.
Serial number 47, some exact date.
Your Lordship, may I mention item number 31?
क्या बोल रहा है इन्होंने?
पता नहीं नोटिस इशू किया किसके खिलाफ, क्योंकि ये अकेला हमारा नहीं है, ये सभी यूटीज का है। इसमें गुजरात भी, आंध्र प्रदेश, उनका सचिव आया था, उन्होंने एफिडेविट फाइल कर दिया। क्या करेंगे पता ना, भगवान जाने। क्या दिखाइए इसमें मैसेज आ रहा है, कुछ ना है।